This is a folding mat that I got. I like it because when you're dealing with wood or anything hot, you just open it like so, and it just folds out. See, yeah, I got it on the right side. And it just folds out like that, and you just sit it down on there to keep from burning something, your wood, your table, or whatever. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little water in here, and I'm going to, I am going to like have a poached egg. I hope I didn't bust it. I don't like when my egg busts. In my trash. Oh. Missed the box. But yeah, this is real nice. Let's see how it's doing. Nope, I didn't bust it. So I will put I don't know, I think this is made for this, but it seems like that kind of like burn. It says folding pot mat, but it seems like it kind of burn. I guess it's good for like if you just putting a pot out, like a pasta pot that already been cooked, and it's not this as hot as this is, because this seems like it melted it a little bit. So anyway, it's not that hot no more, so it's not melting it. What did I want to do? I wanted to get my egg right. It's not quite ready yet. All my food gonna be cold again by the time I get through. Next time, my food gonna be ready.